Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video we are going to cover how to edit a Canvas app, how to delete a Canvas app, and how to restore a Canvas app to a previous version, and how to import and export an app. Now go back to our system. So first I will explain how to edit a Canvas app. Edit any Canvas app that you created or for which you have co-owner permission. You can edit an app in Power App Studio. So how you can edit an Canvas app? So firstly sign into the make.powerapps and select an apps in the left navigation pane and then go to the my apps and select an edit from the top, or you can use more commands from here and then go to the edit and edit in new tab. So now you can edit this app as per your need, and in case if you don't see the app that you want to edit, verify that you have selected the correct environment. And one more thing I want to add here, only one user can edit an app at a time. Now I will explain how to delete a Canvas app. Like if you want to delete this app, so select this app and select delete from the top menu, and you can also select more commands and then select delete instead from here. Then click on delete button. So it is successfully delete an app. Now, I will explain how to restore a Canvas app to a previous version. So select an app and then select the details from the command bar and then select version. So this is the versions of created this app, and version 4 is the live version. If I want to restore this app, so select this version and then go to the more command and then click on restore from here. Again click on restore. So now new version is created and it is restored successfully. Like if you want to publish the restore version, so select this version and click on publish this version from here and then click on publish this version when prompt to confirm. Now you can notice the publish restore version that shows up as live. Now how to export and import your Canvas app. So when you log in and you are on your app page where you will see all the apps that you have built. So from here select one of your app that you want to export and then click on export package. So here I will have to provide the name of the package. So give the name as test app, and if you want to give the description so you can give it. Now when you click on update, so here whether you select create as new or update if you are going to update an existing app, and if you select as create as new, so when you are changing an environment of the app, so I will select as create as new. So once I have done that, now click on save, and if you click on export and a zip file will be downloaded. Now go back to the apps, and the another way to export the package, go to the more command and say export package with the same process of I told you before. So I have not selected anything here or any app here, but I can see import app. So once I click on here, it will ask me to upload the zip file which I downloaded from here. And if you want to import in the same environment, so it will create a duplicate. So in this video, we will discuss how to manage the Canvas app in Dynamics 365 CE. Thanks for watching.